Okay, again recording the screen. Today we took the withdrawal of $60 and today profit is $65, and here is all our today profit. 60 we took the withdrawal and the overall is 65 is profit. It's only boom and crash trade from last week. Okay, look at this point. You guys can look. Withdrawal is 605 and the profit is 319. Okay, guys, so today is minus $60 profit withdrawal and the overall base is 499.68. So let's go and check that robot head. Okay, now this is the robot, guys, which is working on my VPS. Now let me show you on my VPS the bot is working. This is our VPS. We purchased this VPS and the robot is running 24/7 on this VPS and milking the market for us. And we started this account with the 222. You can look at the previous videos on my channel, scroll and check the videos content, and you will see the previous videos of this robot, and definitely you understand how this thing is working. Recently we shared the investor password and still is available. If you wish to look the investor password, you can ask us in the live chat. Okay, and check the description, all details there. I don't know what's the problem there. The VP is not connecting. Okay, now that's all. Now the VPS is working. Look at the top, the account number. $20103653. This is the account number. Okay, guys. $20103653. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.